Take a ride in the 2020 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, steel wheels, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.